Hi everybody, welcome back. It is time to open up the May Facetory Kit. So Facetory is a mask subscription service. You have two choices of subscriptions that you can get. What I get is called the Forever Fresh Kit now, and it is $5.95 a month plus $2.95 shipping and handling. Then they have the Seven-Lux Kit, and that will give you 7 masks per month. That is $15.95 plus $3.95 for shipping. Down below in the description box, I'm going to leave for you the links that you can get onto facetory.com. There's also an affiliate code there. The affiliate code is Leyla HA20. They change things around a little. That will give you 20% off of your first order. Fun fact, I haven't even set up like the commission business end for me for the affiliate code, so maybe eventually I'll get around to it, but I just want to pass that savings on to you so you can get your 20% off. The actual commission means of little significance to me, and I'm sure you can find other ones out there if you're not comfortable with that. But like I said, that is down below there for you, and I will leave that there so you can save some money off of the subscription. So I was going to review the masks that I got to use last month before I present you this month's. I didn't get any of them used from last month. Not because I didn't want to, but because I just kept running out of time and would forget about it. I'm very, very busy between work and like physical therapy 3 times a week. Sometimes it's hard to find just like 20 or 30 minutes just to sit with a mask on my face, but I'm going to try and be a little bit better about that. But let's go ahead and see what we got this month. So this month, their little theme is Get Springtime Ready. The little card here says you are a sheet mask queen. Each month is also going to have your card, which is going to give you all the information as well as the retail prices on each mask. So most of these masks are Korean skincare brands and more of Korean beauty type brands. Facetory is out of California, so they do ship from there, but all the masks that they curate, mostly Korean brands. So it is nice to have this little card here because some of them are completely in Korean. So let's get started. First one up here, this is from Beauty Chuck. This is the I'm a Real Gura Mask Rose. This one says, to keep your skin beautiful and dewy, just like a fresh bouquet of roses, we bring you another hydrating rose mask. This mask will make you want to go out and smell the fresh spring air. Now, I love things that are scented rose that smell like real roses. My yard is covered in roses because I love roses. So I have roses all over the place. I love the scent of it. So very interested to give this one a try. Next one up here, this is To Dear Packer, and this is the rice mask. A rice mask is just what you need for a quick pick-me-up after a long day out. Its long list of benefits will surely work to keep your skin in its best shape possible. So this one is just infused with rice, and excited to give this one a try as well. I'm excited to give them all a try if I could just remember to give things a try. Next up, this one is from Skin Planet, and I think the first month I did this, I got one from Skin Planet. It was the bamboo mask, and it was amazing. So I'm super excited to try another one out from Skin Planet. This one is the Daily Fresh Garden Sheet Mask with pomegranate. This pomegranate is known to be a popular and effective ingredient to promote the overall health of your skin and body. Who doesn't love a multifunctional ingredient like this? So I'm really excited to give this one a try. I'm going to try to make a really good effort to get this one done here within the next couple of days, hopefully, because again, like I said, the first one I got from Skin Planet was amazing. So I hope this one is just as good. And our last one here, which I will pull up an up close of this one, which is why I'm so thankful they have the card. There are, okay, no, there's a few words on here in English. Just a few. This is the Ipona Jeju Green Tea Intensive Whitening Face Mask. Have a relaxing, healthy tea party with the girls as you chat it up, drink green tea, and sheet mask. This mask uses natural ingredients from the island of Jeju to make sure your skin is bright and well nourished. I think I called it Jeju, maybe it's Jeju. You know, I tend to do that when I'm trying to pronounce something. All of a sudden, I switch up and the name changes. So anyway, this is a whitening mask. Now, I've said this before, this is like a really big thing in Korean beauty is for whitening. But aside from going to a dermatologist and actually having your, melanin like lightened with the creams that they have, nothing is going to whiten it. It's probably going to brighten it. It probably contains things like vitamin C, maybe lactic acid, things like that will help kind of boost your skin and help like remove any dark spots, but not really whiten. But I am kind of excited to give this one a try because it does contain green tea and chamomile. So this one might be nice to use at nighttime before bed. And so that is it. That is everything that was in my Facetory kit this month. Once again, I of course want to thank you for spending a little bit of your time with me today. I truly, truly do appreciate it. If you are interested in getting a Facetory subscription, then go ahead and use that little affiliate code down below to save yourself 20% off. Again, like I said, I haven't even set up my end of it for the commission, so I'm not making any commission off of this now if you use my affiliate code. But hey, you can save yourself 20% off, and that's what matters. And as always, before you leave, make sure that you are subscribed to my channel. You definitely don't want to miss out on any videos that I have coming up, and I will see you guys next time. Bye-bye.